36 minus 1. This is taken from an Olympiad paper 6819 94 76735. So find a value. Find a value. 2 power 36 minus 1 is 68A19476735. Listen carefully, it is because we did for 2 power 29 same model. 2 power 6 minus 1. 2 power 6 is 64. 64 power 6 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Because somebody said digital sum 0, this question is framed. This is a digital sum 0. Digital sum 0 means this left hand side is divisible by 9. Left hand side is divisible by 9. Right hand side should also be divisible by 9. Right hand side should also be divisible by 9. So what I'll do is, I will delete the digits whose sum is divisible by 9. Now if you see here, or otherwise do general addition. 6 plus 8, 9 is deleted. So 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18 is deleted. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 1. 14 plus 4, 18 is deleted. So remaining A is there, remaining 1 is there. 1 plus 7 plus 3, it should be divisible by 9. 11 plus A should be divisible by 9. A value should be 7. If I do any spelling mistake, please take care of it. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 28, 35, 41, 48, 51, 56. 56 plus A should be divisible by 9. So answer will be A will be 7. Answer A will be 7. Another beautiful question. 2 power 36 minus 1. Right? 2 power 36 is 2 power 6 minus 1. 2 power 6 is 64. 64 power 6 minus 1. 64 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Left hand side, it is 0. That means number should be divisible by 9. Number should be divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 9, right hand side should also be divisible by 9. You can check by using calculator whether the value is right or wrong.